Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify eTrade mobile trading alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the eTrade mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left or right corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the side menu. Scroll down to find the Alerts section. Select Alerts to view your current notifications. Review the list of your existing alerts. To verify an alert, tap on it for more details. Read through the alert settings for accuracy. Check the symbol, price trigger, and notification method. If you need to make changes, tap the Edit button. Adjust any parameters as necessary. After editing, confirm your changes by selecting Save. If you want to add a new alert, return to the Alerts section. Look for an option labeled Create Alert. Tap the Create Alert button to start your new alert setup. Choose the stock or asset you wish to monitor. Set your desired price trigger and notification preferences. After completing the setup, review the details one last time. Then, tap Save to activate your new alert. Now, you can monitor your alerts in the app. Check back regularly to stay updated on market movements. Understanding these alerts can enhance your trading strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.